What up, everybody? It's your boy Frenchiie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to force reset your iPhone 13 Pro and Max. This works on all three models. The first thing you guys are going to want to do is push the volume button up, down, hold the lock button. Continue to hold the lock button until you see the Apple logo. Once you see the Apple logo, you can then release. You can let go. If this video helped you out, make sure you subscribe, turn on post notifications, and drop a like on the video. Also comment down below. And there you guys go.